Well, happy Mother's Day to everyone. We have a beautiful collection, $10 a yard, navy and white. For spring, for summer, it's just such a beautiful, beautiful colors and fabrics. These are mostly cottons. They're just stunning. And again, this is my little gift to all of us. Most of these are from Theory, the Theory collection, and so they do blend well together. They're beautiful combinations. They're current. They're just pretty. This is a cotton poly. It's a stretch in both directions. I had it in a black, and I did a pair of leggings out of it. I think this would be adorable leggings or t-shirt. You can't really see through it. I know there's holes in it, but you can't really see through it. It's not really an issue. But anyway, stretch in both directions. Great drape. Then we have this beautiful navy. It's a cotton poly blend. It's got a great texture to it. It's very pretty. Pants would be wonderful, but you could really do almost anything with it. And then a lightweight, kind of like a white cotton gauze, 100% cotton. Just pretty. I can see Sam's blouse in this, a halter. Just pretty. Yeah, just pretty. The polka dots we see are really big for spring. This, as you can see, it's a woven. Those dots won't bleed because it's a woven. It's actually woven into the fabric. Very pretty. Very pretty. 100% cotton, woven. No stretch. Again, 100% cotton. Love this texture on this fabric. Just absolutely love it. And so, like I said, everything kind of goes with everything. This navy and white collection is just really pretty. I went to a dinner last night. I was surprised how many women had velvet. This is a navy velvet. It's beautiful. Still strong for spring. Just does lovely with the polka dot or the gauze, the mix. You can see the two navies even go together. Just a very pretty combination. The navy is a cotton poly. It has stretch in one direction. So there you have it. Just a great Mother's Day collection. Happy Mother's Day. Get some rest, get some love, and happy sewing.